Good morning. My name is Socorro Mata, and I'm here to support the East LA Bobcats. My daughter has been cheering for the East LA Bobcats for 4 years, and she loves cheering, and that keeps my children busy and occupied because in East LA, in that community, and in any community, there's gang members, there's drugs, there's violence everywhere. There was an incident that occurred in October of 2012, which happened to be at a public place where they stated that the East LA Bobcats were there. I can honestly swear that I wasn't there. My daughter wasn't there. I'm not a gang member. Gloria Molina has taken that away from us, and I'm here because I want everybody to know that she needs to work with our community, our East LA community, to help our children, to keep them off the streets, to make them, as I heard her motion earlier, it's a similar situation, but this is about a youth program where there's 250 cheerleaders and football players combined. We do this for our children. We want them to be something. My son is pursuing to play football high school. It doesn't end. It can pursue. It can continue them in their sports. They get motivated by scholar patches. It's not just saying, oh, my son's gonna play football, oh, my son's gonna play cheer. No, it's like a family to them. So we just want Gloria Molina to, I don't know if she's discussed this with the rest of the board, but there needs to be a solution out there to find, instead of shutting us down, revoking our permits, avoid, having us be removed from Salazar Park. Like I said, I mentioned earlier, gang violence is everywhere, and we need to do what's best for our children in our community, and I will not deliberately put my daughter in danger, because like I said, it's everywhere. Thank you for your time.
Thank you for